SESME has this concept that we call the smart manufacturing profile. And profiles aren't a new concept, but our approach might be a little bit more encompassing than others that are out there. The idea in the first part is to abstract the definition of the structure of data and the relationships between those structures from the particular protocol or implementation of equipment that's in the manufacturing system. We call that part one because that's the least controversial part. In fact, most mature software in this space has some kind of object modeling. One of the challenges that we see is that some kind of object modeling tends to be proprietary. It is either directly connected to a particular hardware vendor's ecosystem, or it is a part of a particular software vendor's ecosystem that not really available kind of outside of that walled garden. So we want to take this idea that everybody agrees is a good one and drive folks towards standards. We think this is one of those technologies that floats all boats, and there's not a ton of value in the creation of the infrastructure for this. We all agree it needs to happen. Why don't we all agree on a standard for that? So the standard that we've chosen to get behind for the information model specifically is OPC UA. We want to use a part of that specification that is specific to information modeling. And then we want to rally SESME's investment, SESME's members around drawing towards that center of gravity, drawing out of proprietary ecosystems and into a common modeling layer. That doesn't mean that the proprietary ecosystems go away. In fact, we think they continue to get better because more of these models are available. We, as SESME, can direct our investment towards creating reusable models that are available for everyone. We don't stop just at the information modeling, though. We have other parts that we're envisioning for the future that are about normalizing data acquisition and normalizing application access to data so that we have some common secure interfaces that we can all agree on as an industry. Again, that doesn't mean that there isn't room for vendor-specific implementations, but it does give customers some freedom of choice to move between vendor ecosystems or to import across vendor ecosystems to create a system that meets their needs.